Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private on TikTok web. So if you like to browse on TikTok and you want to make your TikTok account private, then let me show you how to do it on the web. So first we'll go ahead and open up a web browser. Here I've got Google Chrome open, navigate to tiktok.com and make sure you're logged in to your account. Now once you've done that, go ahead and hover over your profile picture at the top right, then click on Settings. Now here, you want to go ahead and click on Privacy at the left hand side. You'll see the option for private account. So with a private account, only users you can approve to follow you and watch your videos. So your existing followers won't be affected. So to make your account private, go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. And now once you do this, your account will be private. So whoever tries to follow you won't be able to see your videos until you approve their following. And there you go guys, that is how to make your account private on TikTok web. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.